Hello everyone, today we are going to do this lip vitiligo. As you can see, uh, there's a low patch in the below. We are going to match the exact skin tone of his older lip. So the process is going to be started. I'm going to do the patch test. So patch test, it will not look awkward. So we are doing that on both the sides of the lip. So as you can see, color is matching with his exact lip tone. So once got healed out, it will gives you the beautiful look. As you can see, it will gives the beautiful look, same like as upper lip. So now I fast forwarded the image, so it looks like I'm doing it so fast, but the process will be so smooth. As you can see, there is not even a small bleeding as well as swelling also, and this is the only way to lighten your dark pigment as well as dark your light and white patch vitiligos, getting your exact skin tones. So many of them claiming that melanin layers as well as some Ayurvedic, none of them will give the perfect output same like this. It is going to be permanent and it's a least maintenance free. You no need to take any of the tablets or particular creams for this. It's going to be the lifelong. The duration will be changed, depends on the lifestyle which you are going to follow, but in other ways it will gives you the best output. As you can see, the process was so smooth and it's matching his exact skin tone. You just wait for the final output. I'll show you how the exact output is coming out. So as you can see in this image, we are matching it out with exact lip color, and we always recommend you to go ahead with the patch test first. Once you feel patch test is convenient and successful, then you can proceed and go ahead with the remaining places of your body. So in that way you can get to know the color outputs as well as we can get to know about your melanin layers active condition. If your melanin layer is in active condition, so your skin will start to get absorbed, so it will give the much more better and the greater look. So that's the main purpose of this. So I'm doing it on the one side. We are almost gonna be end of the video. As you can see, it's beautifully mingled with his old skin tone. So there is a small swelling will be there, but it will get settled down in another 2 or 3 days. So any more details, we have given our contact number in the description. Do contact us. Don't die nude.